Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I have some Z-fold style cards I want to share with you, and I have two different ways you can use it in your card making. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have two different accordion style fun fold cards to share with you. Now, these are Z-fold style cards with a little pop-up on the inside. The cards feature a brand new stamp set that's going to be coming out in the January to April mini catalog from Stampin Up. And it's called Sunshine and Tulips, so I just used some of the greetings from this stamp set. However, you can use any stamp set you have on hand to create these cards. I am also using some of the new True Blue Floral Designer Series paper. This is Stampin' Up's product of the month for the month of December. The product of the month is available for $5 with a qualifying Stampin' Up order. You can learn more in the description below this video. Okay, so this is the card that we are going to create today. This is the accordion style Z-fold, and it is in portrait style. And of course, you can also create this in landscape style, but the measurements for creating the card base and cutting your paper are basically the same. So you're going to start with a 5.5 by 11-inch piece of cardstock, and then you're going to score the 11-inch side at 1 3/4, 3.5, 5 1/4, and 7 inches. And then you will simply fold on all these score lines, and you will just accordion fold this. So basically it's just folding on top of each piece. You're just folding back and forth to create your accordion style fold. So once you have your card base complete, you are ready to add some designer paper. So I am just using a variety of different pieces from the True Blue Floral Designer Series paper pack. So all these pieces measure 1.5 by 5 1/4 inches. And basically we're just going to adhere them in each section of this fun fold. And I'm using two different patterns, so I'm just alternating the patterns in each of these 4 different panels. Next, I cut a 3 3/4 by 5 1/4 inch piece of white cardstock, and that is going to go on the very last panel of this fun fold card base. So all these panels simply accordion fold on top of each other, and this is what it looks like when it's closed. All right, so now let's talk about how to add that inside pop-up piece. So you're going to start with a piece of cardstock that is 3 by 6 inches, and then you're just going to score it in the middle at 3 inches. So this is what it will look like. And we're going to be adhering this to this last panel here and this first one here. So what I like to do is line up this score line that is on this little piece with the score line in the center here of these pieces of designer paper. So we are going to add some glue just to this little panel here. So I just want to add some glue right here. And then we're going to do the same on this side. And then we're going to flip this over, and we'll bend this back a little bit. And we are going to line up our score line right in the middle here and just push this down. So that will help keep all the folds together, because this one's going to create a little mountain here while the one inside creates a little valley. So by lining up the score lines, you'll be able to adhere this piece perfectly so that when you close your card, it will be perfectly aligned on the front, and you will be able to open the entire card and lay it flat. All right, so let's talk about how to decorate this. So basically I'm just using one of the pieces of the pattern paper, and I just use my scissors to snip apart some different flowers from this pattern paper. And then I created 2 different square shapes, so that each of these squares are 2 3/4 by 2 3/4 inches. I use the stylish shape size, and then I just use the floral designs just to create some focal points that I could use on those different panels for the inside and outside of the card. Now I'm using some Night of Navy ink, and I'm going to stamp a little greeting right on this particular one. This is the one that's going to go on the outside of the card. Let's go ahead and decorate this now. So this first little square is going to go on this section of the card. And this next little square is going to go on this side of the card. And then we are going to use some other pieces that I just cut from the designer paper. So these pieces were actually on the edge of the designer paper, and I thought they would work really good just to kind of decorate this white piece. So we are going to add these right on the edges. So notice how I rounded out the flowers that are here, and I just left the straight edge that is over here. And then we'll just add a couple of these other little flowers down here. So this is just a great way to use those little pieces that are on the edge of your designer paper. And then when you close it, you have just a really nice little floral design that shows through to the front. So the last thing that I did is I just stamped a little message here on the inside. And that is all there is to it. So the fun thing about this card design is that you can use it to create cards in either portrait style or landscape style. And the measurements for the card base are exactly the same. You will just be decorating it in a different orientation. Okay, so there you go. Now you have two different ways you can use this accordion style Z-fold in your card making. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.